Ever wondered why some businesses thrive while others struggle in the same market? The secret sauce to overcoming these challenges lies in mastering the 4 P's of marketing. The first P of marketing is product. But what does it really mean? It's anything offered to satisfy a want or need, like a company offering high-quality organic food for health-conscious consumers. A well-designed product that meets customers' needs is the cornerstone of any successful marketing strategy. The second P of marketing is price. Consider a luxury brand like Gucci. Their high pricing isn't just about revenue, it's a strategic move to uphold a premium image. Price is not just about numbers, it's about the perceived value and the image it creates for your brand. The third P of marketing is place. But why is it so crucial? Well, place is where your product is sold and how it reaches the market. Think online businesses using digital platforms to reach a global audience. The right place can significantly expand your market reach and boost your sales. The fourth P of marketing is promotion. It's the art of persuading customers by communicating product features and benefits. Think of brands using social media influencers to tap into younger demographics. Promotion is all about effective communication and persuasion. So, how do the 4 P's of marketing work together to boost your business? They balance product, price, place, and promotion to overcome challenges. Mastering the 4 P's of marketing is mastering the art of doing business.